Okay, so let's create a full scalp. Another hat like this. Put it together like this. Okay, make sure it is truly totally fit on your head. I think it fits. Okay, just twist it like this. And put it these two balloons together like so. That's it. We have a full scalp hat, but we're not done here. We're not done. Okay, so we add another balloon here. Let's say we need to inflate two balloons here with 4 inches or 5 inches allowance. Put this yellow balloons here, but before you put it, make a loop here like this. Tie it. Don't forget. Repeat the process. Put it together. And put it here. And put this loop here on this part downwards like this. Just put it downward. Now make a poodle tail here. Just do the same thing here. Okay, last part. And now we have a full scalp hat.